goes to People's Republic of Korea. The second ticket to Paris 2024 goes to Kyrgyzstan. Congratulations. Congratulations and good luck in Paris. People's Republic of
Solgun
Korea
Pak of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea on the right, and Miriam Jumanazarova